Here again, Texas Roadhouse.
Can I just get like a side of just butter? Dump the whole thing in there.
That whole thing?
Oh yeah. Get every bit out, right? Melty by the butter. I just fill the bottom. About it. It smells good.
Oh. Okay, lid.
Lid on.
Ah!
Starting to
Ah!
splatter.
Ew. Salt.
Melted butter. Look at that.
Tasty.
What do you rate it?
Oh yeah, it's better with the butter.
9 out of 10?
Like seven and a half. But
Kettle corn or Texas Roadhouse butter corn?
hey, come on, we need to put the kettle corn.
Kettle corn's better?
But caramel corn is at the top.
Caramel
For
corn
me,
is
it's
definitely at the top.
coconut oil corn is the best.